Right. Oh, here we go. Christmas Day tomorrow. How exciting. X-Maxx with a new body. Which looks wonky, but I think that's the bumper. So yeah, so I've gone for the Proline one. And last video, the wheels, one of the tyres blew off. But I realised they're directional, so even though I had a replacement tyre, it was the wrong direction. I don't like that. So I've put the Sledgehammers on. I thought it's quite a cold day. This is geared quite high. This has got a 2046 gearing, so it's like a speed gearing. So quite a big combination of tyres and gearing. But it's quite a cold day. So it should be alright. So this is the tough body Proline thing that you can't paint. Not that I ever paint a body, but you can't paint this even if you wanted to. Don't know why that is. Presume there's some sort of wax, maybe some sort of oily wax in its construction. So I did the upper bulkhead on this the other day. Again, in one of my other thrilling videos, I mentioned I broke the upper, where the upper arm goes in. It like broke one of those tabs, and that meant swapping the upper bulkhead, which is what I did. I think it would have been fine. I don't think it would have ever caused an issue, but I did it anyway. Took it all apart. That's the new shell. So I took it all apart. Quite a big job. There's a lot of layers to get to the bulkhead, if that makes sense. So I had to sort of like work my way through. And sort of, you know, went round it, re-greased the front diffs, changed a couple of bearings, usual really. It was all good in there, no wear, nothing like that, didn't need shimming at all. It was all good. And then had to make this body, if that makes sense. I don't have to make it, but you have to like take the bits off your Traxxas one and do it that way. It's like the cage. Forget how far this thing jumps. Also will hurt if it hits me, so probably not going to stand in its line of path. Because I'm running these bigger tyres, I've actually put lighter batteries in than I normally use. I normally use a couple of 8,000 milliamp hour ones. I forget what they are. China Hobby Line, I think they are, like high voltage jobs, something like that. But I'm not using them today because they're 8,200 milliamps each. And this is already, as I keep saying, quite highly geared. And with these big tyres, I thought it best just to put a little bit of a lighter battery in. You know what I mean? Just to keep the weight down really, because obviously these big sledgehammers, these aren't the belted sledgehammers, these are the normal ones. So just had to disconnect, no drama there, deal with that. So these are the normal sledgehammers. So they're not the ones you get now, I think, is standard on this. I don't think they do. I don't think they actually make this with the little tyres anymore. The ones I like. Oh, that didn't sound good, did it? There we go. Short video. So that's the Pinion or spur. Just give it a couple of jumps, see what it is. Yeah, you can hear it. Now, it's still making contact, because look, it's still going quite quick. But when you give it full power, so it sounds like the mesh has come slightly away for whatever reason. And if I was to give it full power now, there wouldn't be enough mesh for it to kind of correctly sink in. So if you listen, I'm going to gun it now. There you go. You hear it? So when you really give it some power, that power moves it away. So if you're gentle with it, you'll probably get it up to full speed. Ish. And that's what happens. That's what happens when you have very high gearing and put big tyres on. The other tyres were perfect. It never did this. It hasn't done this for a long time. And then you do this, and that's the result. So before I completely destroy it, I'll call it quits. So there we go. 4620, not a good combination with sledgehammers, it would seem. It's annoying because it's not far out that, but I haven't got any tools. I haven't got any tools to put that back. Right, there we go. Hope that was enjoyable. Bit shorter than my last ones, and look, I haven't brought the Max. I should have brought the Max, because that never breaks. Now, right, see you soon. Enjoy Christmas Day. Might see you before then. I'm still waiting on this Notorious to turn up. So if that does arrive before Christmas, I'll try and get out and do a video. Freezing cold. It's not freezing cold actually, it's about 4 degrees I think, but pretty cold. A few cows over there. Got some waterproof trainers on. Bit boring really. Right, see you soon. Try and turn this off somehow.